We are in a federally declared water shortage. In 2022, Southern Nevada's water supply will be cut by 7 billion gallons, and these things, your irrigation clocks, actually play a big role in countering the shortage. November 1st marks the start of the winter watering schedule. Through the end of February, we ask you to change your clocks to water your landscape 1 day a week and never on Sunday. If everyone in Southern Nevada would change their irrigation controller with each season and comply with the mandatory watering schedule, we would save 7 billion gallons of water every year. Yep, the same amount will be cut due to the shortage. Your irrigation controller may look like mine, it's a little dated, and your garage may look like mine as well. It's a little cluttered. The clutter, that may take some time to go through, no judgment from me at all, but the controller we can do something about pretty quickly. It's going to make those watering schedule changes a snap, and it'll help with conservation. The Southern Nevada Water Authority offers a rebate of 50% off one of these smart irrigation controllers, up to $100 that you can operate from your phone. Research says these conserve water. They have a load of features the old clocks just don't have. You'll first apply for the rebate on the Southern Nevada Water Authority's website, snwa.com. The website shows you a list of the controllers that qualify. I had zero problems finding this one at a local hardware store. It cost just over $100, so I bought it, submitted the receipt to the Water Authority, and then I'll get the rebate back, that half-off rebate, once I install it. So that's what we're going to do right now. This is my house. This is my new smart controller. I haven't installed one of these before, but I've been told by multiple people it's actually really simple to do. So we're going to try it. We'll show you how long it takes. So I got it mounted. It took a couple minutes. I had a couple challenges. One, the old one was actually mounted into a stud. I didn't think so I struggled with an anchor a little bit, but realized there's a stud there, so it's installed to that. And then I did get the drill out to drill the opening for a second screw to keep it stable. So it really wasn't that much of a challenge, but I did have to get a drill out for that. So now we'll connect the wires back to it, and we'll almost be done. Look, it's on. We're done. All in all, pretty simple. I needed a screwdriver, I needed a level to make sure that we have this level to the wall, and I needed a drill. I had to drill a hole at the bottom of the new controller to accommodate the wires to feed in up through the unit. 15 minutes again to put this up, another 10 minutes to get it updated and connected to my Wi-Fi to get that firmware updated, and now I can go into my phone and program my watering schedule from anywhere. I don't need to be in my garage. That's a great thing about these devices. Also, they will turn off your irrigation when it rains outside, which is a really cool feature. Here in Southern Nevada, we were actually, as a community, able to save 91 million gallons of water in a single day just by our community turning off their irrigation controllers when it rained outside. So these smart controllers will help. You don't have to come into your garage to turn them off and on and change with each season. So consider getting one of these controllers and help conserve.